Well, it's bigger than an elevator.
Wow.
It's gonna take forever. I bet we have one hell of a garage sale when we're done.
Hope so. I need enough money to pay for dance camp this summer. Okay, something in here has to be worth something. I mean, Nana and Papa traveled all around the world.
Well, this monkey with an idea here, I don't think it'll sell for much.
Honestly, guys, there's nothing but crap in here.
Hey, I found a bunch of cool stuff.
You see? Crap.
Hey everyone, if you find anything of value, can you stack it in the corner over here?
Also, don't forget to put your name on it and a sticker on it so we know who found it.
We'll take them to our parents' consignment place and see if anything sells. Okay?
Cool.
Michael, make yourself useful and come help me. Michael!
What?
That.
Okay. Here you go.
Thanks.
It's gonna take forever to get through all of this stuff. Alright, I'm going in. If I'm not back by morning, call out a search crew. My hero.
Hey everyone, I just found something.
Whoa, that's pretty cool.
Dude, these Sports Illustrated are really old, like older than my dad.
I know, this would go for like $1 million.
Well, maybe not $1 million, but they are worth a lot.
What have we here?
Oh, sweet. I'll hold on to this.
Hey, give me that. Unbelievable. Perverts.
Non est ita totem, non est ita totem ut veniam ultimi.
Sarah, can you open the door?
No!
Sarah, can you open the damn door?
No, go away!
Sarah. Sarah. Come on, Sarah. I just want to talk.
Go away, leave me alone. Get out or I'm gonna tell my mom!
Now, we both know what will happen if you do that.
Emmy, you okay?
I'm scared.
It'll be okay. My pinky's right.
Do you know what this means? Non est ita totum ut binium utinius. Stop. Stop. Please, Samantha, I need to finish this assignment by tomorrow. I need to finish this assignment by tomorrow. And stop copying what I say. Okay. Emmy, what's the matter?
What the hell? They're gone! Yeah, man, people keep pulling a Houdini in here.
Okay, well, both Sarah and Emmy were holding that statue before they went all psycho.
This statue? Don't be stupid, okay? It was probably made in China or something. Ut Binium Utonius? Here you have a picture of me.
Yeah? So what if I do?
Give it to me. Give it.
Wait! Damn, Charlie, that wasn't even my phone.
Hey, babe, I have your phone. What is she doing here?
She wanted the picture.
The skanky picture you took of her when I let you sympathy date her? You know your dad paid us $300 to be nice to you for a week? And this is how you repay us? You want us to delete the picture?
Yes.
How much?
Money?
No, loser. How badly do you want us to delete the picture?
A lot.
Okay. Anything to get you out of my hair. There. Deleted. Or was that send? Honey, sometimes I forget which button is which. Oops. Looks like I sent it to the whole school.
How could you do that to me? I can never show my face in school again!
Charlie, we didn't do anything to you, I promise. Please, calm down. Please.
Chill out? Why so hostile?
He's leaving.
What?
He's moving in with her. Mel?
You can't just leave us! Don't you care? You deserve to suffer like we are!
There you are. Dad's an ass! I get it! But we have to let it go. We have to forgive him.
Forgive you? Forgive you? I hate you! Ethan, I both hate you!
I hate him too, but I forgave him. It's not right what he did. But we can't hold on to hate or we'll never move on. If you kill me, you will never be able to forgive yourself. So stop and forgive Dad with me.
Hey everybody, I think I just found something.
Yeah, crap.
Are these the keys to Nana and Papa's lake house? Yeah, they are. That place gives me the creeps. I'll bet it's haunted.
Keys to a haunted house? It's like my worst nightmare.